bed frame and all of this. So I am excited, and it has to be gone by tomorrow, so I have to like kind of organize everything and make sure they're picking it up tomorrow at 5. So I'm gonna speed this up and you guys are gonna watch me work. Okay, so for some reason for me it's very hard to get rid of certain things, and I try to declare my room as much as I can throughout the year, especially the things that I have like that mean something, or like they were a gift, like a little necklace that I won't wear, but like they were a gift, so I don't want to get rid of it. But I am gonna try to let that go and actually get rid of things. Okay, so I emptied out most of this. Okay, so I finished this part and everything's in a box. I'm really trying to think. I have everything in a cart of the things I want for furniture store. I just am really trying to think. Like, I had all this in a drawer and most of these are bags, so I'm not sure what I am going to end up keeping, because I might have enough storage for everything. Put this up so you guys can watch me do my nightstand now. So this is our progress. 2 full things full of stuff that I barely touch. Well, this is my importance folder, things that I need, and then a whole lot. It looks like a whole lot of shit, but I probably need to go through this tonight and like really debate on what are the things that I am truly gonna keep and that I truly want, because this is not going back in my drawers. So I am gonna bring it down a little bit, make piles of things that are gone, going downstairs, I'm giving to my mom, and things I'm definitely throwing out. Anyways, this is what it looks like so far. Now, let's tackle these things. This is a little update. It really didn't take that long to take all my clothes and put it on trash bags. So I'm done with this, and that's the last thing I have to clear out before I have to clear out my bed. But I'm obviously sleeping on my bed today, so I'll wait till tomorrow so I can actually get help and I can get a trailer or something so it can be a faster process, because I'm not gonna do that tonight. So this is what it's looking like. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through these 2 bins, the box and this, and I'm gonna decide what I want and what I don't want. Or these are the empty drawers. I think I'm gonna clean them for them. Of course, I'm not gonna give them something that's dirty, which it's not even dirty, it's just it has stuff in it. So I'm gonna do that, and then I would only have to take the mirror out, and those are my vitamins and stuff, and then I'm pretty much done for tonight. And then tomorrow, that's good morning. It's the next day, and I think I'm sick. Great. Or I'm having some type of allergies, but this is what I'm doing. The little closet, it's full of shit. So I'm gonna time lapse this. Also, I took some out already, so I'll show you. Okay, so update. I finished cleaning my closet, which is all good now. And now the box where I had all the shit is empty, and I only kept this. This makes me really happy though. Done anything with my bed or this year, so I did that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold everything that's on my bed and try to lift up my bed by myself.
a very quick update of what's going on because I honestly haven't really filmed anything. So, yesterday we went to Ikea and we got everything we needed, and I don't know, but Ikea Furniture is so hard to build. Like, it takes a long time. It's not really hard. The pictures are pretty much self-explanatory. But we went through a lot of problems yesterday. Like, something broke in my drawer, but like we fixed it. We couldn't figure out something for the bed, and then I realized that I had to buy the base separate and build pretty much everything except for the nightstand. So we're going back today for the 2 things that I'm missing, but it's like 50 minutes away. Like, are you kidding me? Then I need to go to Target to get new cubbies because the cubbies I got were not the right ones. And then also, what did I get? Oh, the curtains I got, which I love, are way too long for my windows. So I think I'm gonna cut them and like sew them. But yes, that's what's going on. We're going to Target and Ikea.